So hello orchid friends, I'm looking at my Zebra Phal which has gone yellow leaves, and there was a suggestion that the stem might be unhealthy despite the roots looking alright. So I had a closer look at the stem where the leaves fell off, and certainly there seems to be some blackening over there. Can you see that? So I think the Danny's idea of stem rot may be correct, because where the leaves fell off it is black. Let's have a look at the other side. That's what the stem looks like. So I'm going to unpack the orchid, take out all the moss from the middle there, and see what I have left, and hope that the root dries out, the stem dries out. Alright, there, that's a good look at the black thing there. Okay, thanks for watching. Okay, so here we are. Now it is much clearer. I have freed the roots of the moss, and I can see that the stem here is quite black, and clearly this is a stem rot. And I think I remember what I did was I soaked the orchid with some fertilizer and hoping to give it a nice soak, but I think it didn't have chance to dry out, so the leaves are shedding wherever they're rotten. The other thing I saw was, I think I saw a spike. Yeah, over there. I think that might be a spike over there, and the spike is struggling to get out. It was tightly root bound and leaf bound, and there was no way it could get out. So that may be another reason why the leaves are being gotten rid of. But I think that is more far-fetched than the theory of the root of the stem rot. So there we are. So I'm going to give it a cinnamon dusting and only water by spraying the roots and keeping the top dry. And I'll let you know what happens. Thanks for all the tips. I think Miss Orchid Girl, your diagnosis was correct. Thank you. Hello everybody. So here's the Zebra Phal with the yellowing leaves. I've put cinnamon powder after spraying some hydrogen peroxide, pouring all over it in the stem area, and now nicely, generously dusted with cinnamon powder, which is supposed to be a fungicide. So, and I placed it in a clear pot like that, and I'm going to leave it like that. I'm just going to spray the roots as needed and avoid any water to the stem. And of course the roots are not bad at all, but I think I know what my mistake is. I kind of soaked this orchid in another pot because I wanted it to have a nice good soak of fertilizer and water, and then I think I almost drowned it up to there, and then it didn't dry out. So that's what's happened. So I don't know if the spike will ultimately make it or not, or where is the spike? There is a spike somewhere. Anyway, I won't disturb it. There it is. And see what happens. I hope there's enough energy for these leaves to help the orchid recover. Thanks for watching.